In our group, we have a weapon. You can see behind me.
Wir haben jetzt die Möglichkeit, mit dem Sergii zu reden, der jetzt gerade in der Ukraine ist. Er ist ein 45-jähriger Zivilist und verteidigt momentan seine Stadt Charkiw.
Sein Leben hat sich mit Kriegausbruch schlagartig verändert. Er war am Flughafen und hat als Verkaufschef geschäftlich nach Paris wählen. Heute, 3 Wochen später, ist er als Zivilist Teil des Militär und getrennt von seiner Familie. Wir haben ihn gefragt, wie es für ihn war, sich von seiner Familie an der Grenze zu verabschieden.
First of all, my first task was to put my family, my wife and children in a safe place and come back to Kharkiv to fight against Russian occupants. Now they are in safe France, a small village next to Marseille.
Are you in contact with your family? Are you able to talk to them?
Yes, I'm in contact with my wife and children, but I didn't in contact with my parents. I haven't heard anything from my parents since 2nd of March, because in the city of Mariupol there is no electricity, no water supply, no gas supply.
But how does it feel for you that you have to stay in the Ukraine and you cannot leave with your family?
Just imagine, I sent my family to safe place, and I'm sitting one in my flat. What option I have? I should help in some way. Even if I have possibility to leave the country, I wouldn't leave.
How many people are you at this base?
As we territorial defense, we are part of our military, but just new part. Approximately, I don't know, 70 people. Some of them really have active fighting experience, but some of them, like me, without active fighting experience. I am a part of drivers group. We are mainly about cars and about delivery.
How does your everyday life look like at the moment?
We are sleeping in one building on the ground floor, because ground floor it is a more safety, taking into account potential aviation attack. Every day we have special tasks to be done. For example, we can deliver special things to our military forces who are fighting now. We are not actively participate in this fighting, but in our group we have a weapon. You can see behind me our weapons. If it needed, we can take it and participate in active phase fighting.
In which case would you fight?
If Russian came inside city, and there will be an order to fight against Russian who is inside city, we will fight. I'm not scared. Who will fight if we are not fighting? Who will fight instead of Ukrainian? No one. We just fighting for our land. We're fighting for our home. We're fighting for our freedom, for our independence, for future and for future of our children.
How is it to see this city so destroyed?
It is tough feeling, because look, when I was student, when I was young, probably 1 year ago, I was passing through this building. When I was young, I met girls there. I don't know, I spent time with a friend. Of course, it is very difficult for me to see a wonderful city destroyed by Russian crazy occupant. It is only one wish from our side, to send all occupants out from our territory. Ukrainian, a very peaceful nation, very peaceful. But when someone come without invitation on our territory, with weapon on their arms, we will fight till the end. No one give up here.